Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to shine car tires. This will be a full and complete tutorial, but also a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. All that you're going to need is some tire shining foam, just like this. This is one option, but there are many other variations of this as well. Then you're going to need a rag or a shop towel to use. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now in an ideal situation, you want your tire to be completely clean first, but you can shine a tire that is still a little bit dirty, just like mine is right here. So it should work either way, as long as you follow the right procedure. So what you want to do is get your tire foam, give the can a nice shake, and you want to apply a generous amount around the sidewall of the tire. So we're not going to apply it on the tread of the tire, but just the sidewall. And like I said, you want to apply a generous amount. So as you can see, you really want to apply it on there. You don't want to be too cheap with it. You want to really apply it on there because that's how you're going to get the shine. Okay, I like to go just on the, one more time around the outer portion as well, just like that. Okay, so as you can see, I've now applied it, and in most cases, or in some cases I should say, you can just leave it and just let it dry. But one trick that I like that really allows you to get a super glossy finish is you let it sit for about half a minute or a minute, and as it starts to drizzle off, what you want to do is take either a rag or a shop towel, just like this. I have these blue, I think they're like automotive paper towels basically. They're really strong, really thick paper towels. And what I like to do is I like to just take one of these and I just go around, just wipe it one time around just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to do the other side just like that. Okay, that's it. And if you want, you can go along the outer portion as well, just to really wipe it down. Now you're not trying to dry it because you do want to let the product seep in there and give you that shiny finish, but you are wiping it down, and what that does is that removes the inconsistency. So if one area of the tire got a lot more product than the other, you know, you might end up with some inconsistencies in how glossy it is, but by wiping it down, it's going to be really consistent in the level of gloss that you're achieving and the level of shine that you're achieving with your tire. But that's basically it. Then you're just going to let it dry. You don't want to start driving just yet. You want to let it dry for probably about 5 to 10 minutes. And then 5 to 10 minutes later, it should be dry and you should have a nice glossy tire sidewall, and it should last for a while. If you've done it properly, it should stick around for a while. You want it to last, you don't want it to be gone within a couple of hours. You want it to last for a while, but that's basically it. That is how to shine your tires. A full tutorial and an easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.